Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create email templates in Salesforce. Email templates are incredibly useful for standardizing your communications and boosting efficiency. They allow you to send consistent messages quickly, saving valuable time for your sales team. You can personalize them using merge fields, making each email feel unique. We will cover different template types, including text, HTML, and Lightning. Let's dive into the creation process. First, go to Setup and search for Email Templates. Once there, you will see an option to create a new template. Select the folder where you want to store it for easy access. Then, click New Template and pick your desired type, such as text or HTML. Finally, give your template a clear name, a compelling subject, and craft the main body. Personalization is key to effective sales emails. You can easily insert merge fields, which automatically populate with data from your Salesforce records, like a contact's name or company. Use the merge field picker to find exactly what you need. After adding your content, always preview the template. This step is crucial to ensure everything looks perfect and all your merge fields are pulling the correct information. Once your template is perfect, remember to save it. To make it available for your team, ensure the Available for Use checkbox is selected. You can then easily access and apply these templates when sending emails directly from a lead, contact, or opportunity record. Always perform thorough testing with a few different records to confirm all merge fields work as expected before deploying it broadly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.